Here's a 1/18 scale die-cast car from MCG Motor Car Group from Germany. This is a late 80s, early 90s Chevy Caprice, unmarked unit that many departments use, FBI, Secret Service. What I've done is I installed working lights in this car. The lights run off a 1.9-volt battery that's hidden inside. So when the battery runs out, you'll have to remove 4 screws, which will be a while, since these batteries don't use that much power, so it should be a while. Since on and off switch right here, turn the lights on so you can see. You have the visor red blue lights, you have the flashing headlights, amber lights on the bottom, and red blue lights in the grill. On the rear deck you have flashing red blue lights on both sides. You have the solid tail lights and a flashing reverse lights. This is actually a Washington DC unit, capital city. So this is most likely like an FBI unit. Okay, it'll be up on eBay. eBay name is 6877 Mercedes. Please ask all your questions before you bid, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to see my other custom built vehicles. All right guys, thank you very much.